Hi everyone, my name is Michaela. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be starting off the new year fresh by reorganizing all of my yarn. Should be fun. Let's go. Alright, so everything that I want to keep has to fit in this tote. I think it should fit. I hope it'll fit. I think it should fit. It's a lot, but I have a lot of little scrap pieces. A lot of stuff that needs to get re-rolled. So let's get started. Let's see. All right, maybe I will start with the stuff that's already packaged. So I have quite a few. Let's see. What is this? See, this is all, yeah, this is all super fine yarn. I bought a lot of this for socks that I was going to make last year, and if you saw my wrap-up video, you know that that did not turn out to be the case. Socks became my arch nemesis. So I don't know how much of this I'm going to keep. This is wool-like, what is this percentage? Oh, it's acrylic. It's got some nylon. I might keep the white because I feel like maybe I could like mix it, so double strand it with something else. I feel like this stuff might be good for that. But so we'll think about this. These ones I am not going to do anything with. I think I might thrift these. I love this color. I picked this up actually at a thrift store at our local MCC, and I love the color, but would have made great socks, but not for me. So maybe someone else can. I have a basket. This is my to-go basket. So everything that's going is going to go in here and go to a thrift store. So dump those in there. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, this stuff. How much of this stuff do I have? Is there more of this? Ah, here it is. Okay. So this is from the sweater that I attempted to make, and I am going to keep this because I'm actually going to unravel that sweater and I'm going to remake something with it, maybe a cardigan or something like that. So this stuff I am going to keep, and I will have to re-ball it up a little bit. Okay. So this is just acrylic yarn, I believe, but I got this to do double stitch embroidery on the front of a sweater last year, and I'm going to keep this because I'm actually going to make a sweater just like that for my mom this year, so I will need this gold thread. Must keep. This is a sock. I might unravel this actually. Ah, yes. So these I'm keeping. This is stuff I got from Hobby Lobby. I think this is 100% cotton. Yeah, this is 100% cotton. These are very cool. They are like iridescent, well, not iridescent. They have like multicolored neon little bits in the yarn. And this I'm actually going to use to make a tank top this year. I'm very excited about that. That's going to be my project as soon as I finish my sweater. I'm going to find a tank top pattern for this. So this definite keep has to fit in the bin. Okay. Ooh. Notice I'm ignoring this hot mess here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. Where's these? These I need. This is Drops Wish. It's alpaca, a little bit of cotton, and merino wool. This I am actually currently using to make a sweater. I have the 2 sleeves left. I hope this will be enough. Well, I have this in like half a ball, so it should be enough. But yeah, I definitely will show you guys when that's done. But this I need, and I probably won't put in the bin because it is in a work in progress, so I can leave that out. Yeah, it's fine. These are, I have a lot of this. This is like cozy wool. This is all loops and threads. I think that's what all of these little bits are as well, because I used this to make a whole bunch of socks, so I have lots of this left over, like a lot. I don't think I'm gonna keep all of it. I don't know. This is such a tangle mess. Okay. Uh-oh. I have more! I found more! I found more. This is gonna be like the world's biggest cardigan. I have so much. Oh well. That's okay. I'll reball it all. We'll keep it. These, I do want to make my own socks. I love this color. This is like a coral color. And this is 50% wool, 50% acrylic. So this is pretty nice stuff for getting it at like just a regular mill craft store. It's pretty cheap. I think I got these on sale for like $6 a ball. So these two I'm going to use to make my own socks at some point when I get around to it. The rest of this, bye-bye basket. The rest of this, I don't know. Okay, I have more of this. No? I just have one? Aha! Two. So this was also, this is fine yarn. Yeah, this is actual like sock yarn, specifically designed for socks. And this is mostly wool and nylon, actually. This stuff is very nice. But I probably am going to re-gift this to someone. I'm sure someone at the thrift store will be thrilled to find this. Someone who loves making socks more than me. So, into the thrift bin go. Also, this is more of that kind of light purpley, fine, very, very fine yarn that I'm also going to regift because I've accepted that part of myself. What is this? This is like the cheapest yarn I've ever seen. I might have gotten this from the dollar store. This is dollar store yarn. There really isn't enough in here to make anything. Maybe like one very small sock. I'm gifting this. Someone, this is fun for practicing. Like if you, because I think this is like at least a 3 or 4 weighted yarn. So if you're trying to learn how to knit, something like this would be really good. You can get this at the dollar store, I guess. Cheap, easy. I don't know. More sock yarn. I was very clearly, I had high hopes for the socks. I often tend to buy stuff without really thinking it through, which should be like on my resolutions for this year, to not spend money on yarn that I'm not going to use. Where's another one of this? Where is it? I'll find it. Anyway, these are also going. These ones. These are 4. What is the... Doesn't say. Why does it not say what it is? Cotton? 100% cotton. So I have 2 of these. I don't know if this is enough to make something, but I do love this color. I'm very intrigued by this. I might have to keep this. So I have currently filled, don't know if you can see this, half the bin. Half the bin is full. That's not bad. I should have enough room. Okay, let's keep going. I might need to wind some of this. I think most of this is scraps. Oh no, it's attached. Oh no. Okay. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna untangle. This is an unfinished hat. I need to finish this. I kind of forgot that I made this. Oh well. I will finish this, apparently. Let's work on that. Oh, and this is also a sock. Okay. So, I finally have gotten through the big tangled mess. Yeah, what am I gonna keep? So I have a lot of really, really small bits of yarn. And I think maybe what I'll do is I'll put them in a bag. Because maybe I can make like a little mini blanket or something. Like I might knit small little squares. Because I have so much of this. I don't really want to waste it. I don't want to throw it out. So maybe I'll do that. This I found. This is Drops Air. This is the lighter Drops yarn. This I made a little sweater for my niece out of, and I have some left over. This I'm going to keep. So that's definitely on the keep pile. I think I might get rid of some of these. I have a lot of this. So I'm going to keep one. And I might get rid of some of the other ones. This is not my color, so I'll keep a little bit of black and a little bit of blue. This can go. This I'll keep. This is a little bit of Drops. This is the most poorly rolled thing ever, but this I'm going to keep. This. Okay. These I'll put in a bag. All right. So I have whittled everything down to one bag and one bin. Not bad. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. And I have almost a full basket of some stuff to regift. So that's really good. And yeah, this also sort of reiterates to me that I have enough yarn. I don't need to go buy more. I still will, but you know, let's see if the lid closes. Haha! Success! Thank you everyone for joining me. I hope you enjoyed helping me sort through my yarn, seeing what projects I'm gonna do, and here's to a great year of knitting. See you later. Bye.